Okay, so signing up for Part B of Medicare, Part A and B, you can sign up 3 different ways. The first way is you can go onto the Social Security website or Medicare.gov and sign up for what's called a My Social Security account. When you do this, you have to answer a number of questions to verify who you are and your identity. Some people find this very easy and have no problem at all. Some people, if you answer the security questions, if you even get one question incorrect, it can lock you out. So if that happens, you have to wait 24 hours and go back in and try again. The other 2 ways that you can sign up for your Medicare is to go into the Social Security office, or you can call and schedule a phone appointment. One of the challenges that we have heard about lately is a lot of the Social Security offices are closed right now, and so that leaves 2 options. You can sign up online, or you can call and make a phone appointment. But what happens if you're turning 65, let's say next month, and you need to get signed up right away? There's another option. You can actually go to our website and you can download the forms to fill out. You fill out those forms and you fax them into your local Social Security office. And then after you've done that, you can call the local office, typically within about 2 to 3 days, and ask them if they have received your forms. If they've received your forms and if they are in process, they're going to let you know that. And then you can usually call back within about 1 week to get your Medicare number. So this is a workaround if you're having a challenge getting signed up for your Part B. Also, if you need any help, feel free to reach out to us. We're here for you. You can give us a call or you can check out the information on our website.